must have seen Marines, troops, or experienced skydivers jumping off an aircraft. But for many aboard this plane, this is their first experience of such kind, to jump off a plane at an altitude of 13,000 feet.
So we have like 3 people who are jumping first time today.
Yep, right now on this plane there are. This guy and the guy and the girl back there.
Skydiving, also known as parachuting, is the action of exiting an aircraft at a specific altitude and returning to Earth with the aid of a parachute.
You guys did it!
We just finished. It was so amazing. It was unreal.
In America, it is becoming a very popular sport among young and old. For many, it becomes an unforgettable experience of their lives.
We're certified skydivers.
And for others, it becomes a profession.
Left my career in DC because of the economic downturn, and moved to Orange and started jumping on a more full-time basis. Also, it's both. It's a profession and a passion.
Even though it looks like a very dangerous sport, but in fact, it is as dangerous as any other sport, or sometimes even less dangerous.
The risk is just really reasonable.
Kevin Gibson is a skydiving instructor. He is skydiving since 1976.
Make sure you know what you signed up for here. Go.
And in those 35 years, he has jumped off an aircraft for about 9,000 times.
It's gotten really safe. When I started, the U.S. Parachute Association had a membership right around 10,000, and we had between 40 fatalities a year. And now we have a membership of over 30,000, and last year we were down in the low teens, I think.
Speed up, way up in front of you like that.
For first-timers, there is a brief training which is compulsory for every skydiver.
Well, how's the airplane ride going? Cool. Chuck, how you doing, bud? Good.
First-time skydiver also do a tandem skydive where an experienced skydiver is strapped with them who instruct them up in the air.
What did you think of that, man?
That was awesome.
Woo! Give that guy a high five. Oh, I'll take one too. Thanks for coming out, Skydive Orange, man.
Yes.
We'll see you next time.
According to experienced skydivers at Orange Skydive in Virginia, most of the fatalities happen in landing with a parachute, which is the most important and difficult part. But with all the odds, the youngsters here say that this is the best way to boost their self-confidence and overcome their fears.
It was incredible. It was really awesome.
Words can't describe the actual feeling of skydive.
Saqib Islam, Voice of America, Orange, Virginia.